Hi, I'm Jean Panic-Kiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 6 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we're going to learn all about adding, deleting, and editing bookmarks in Sub Rosa. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. Bookmarks can be accessed by tapping the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the app. Sub Rosa comes with some predetermined bookmarks of popular DoD websites. If you don't want to keep all of these items, it is easy to delete one or more at a time. To delete a bookmark or folder, simply press and hold on that item. It will turn red, and you'll be given the option to delete or edit your selection. You can remove several at a time if need be. Tapping Edit allows you to change the name of a folder. If you would like to add a bookmark or folder, you can do so by tapping the three-dot menu that appears in the Bookmark tab. When adding a bookmark, you'll be prompted to create a name and supply the web address. Sub Rosa will automatically fill this form with the information from the page you were most recently on. If you accidentally tap Delete All, you'll receive a message asking you to confirm your choice. To go back a layer in the bookmark folder, tap the yellow arrow on the top left of the screen. If you'd like to go back to Sub Rosa, you can tap the Sub Rosa logo, an image of a red rose, just to the right of the arrow. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you'd like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we'll begin to talk about the settings menu and the various options there. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.